Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to make your own elderberry gummies for enhancing immune function. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with elderberry and its potent immune modulating effects, or for those of you wondering whether or not elderberry is technically safe for treating viral infections, definitely be sure to reference this video over here to learn more. Otherwise, let's take it over to Noelle now, where she's going to be showing you how you can make your own very delicious and immune enhancing elderberry gummies.
So today we're going to be making some elderberry syrup plus gut healing and immune boosting gummies. Now we're going to be using our elderberry syrup plus that we have. If you have your own elderberry, you can use that. Just make sure you have 4 ounces of it. If you don't have your own elderberry, you can find our elderberry syrup plus in the description box below. So the first thing you're going to need is some elderberry syrup. 4 ounces. The second ingredient is some beef gelatin powder. Make sure it's grass-fed. We'll be using 2 scoops. The third ingredient isn't optional. It's raw honey. You can use raw honey or maple syrup to sweeten it. This is depending on how sweet your elderberry syrup is. Ours is pretty sweet, so we're just going to use an additional 1 tablespoon. Lastly, you're going to need 1/4 cup of hot water. Now, if you don't have one of these automatic hot water heaters, you can just use a pot. So the first thing that we're going to do is heat up our hot water, and we're going to use 1/4 of a cup or 2 ounces. The second thing that we're going to do is add 2 scoops of our grass-fed gelatin powder into the hot water, but we're going to do it very slowly while we're mixing it with the electric mixer to avoid any clumping. Now we're going to add the entire bottle, 4 ounces of the elderberry syrup plus. Our silicone molds. If you don't have any molds, you can use a 4x4 baking dish, and then in the end just slice it into cubes. Now that we poured our gelatin mixture into the molds, we're going to put it into the fridge for about an hour or until it solidifies. Gelatin has already hardened, we're going to pop them out, and 1 heart for us, or 1 square for you, is going to be 1 serving. Now once you pop all of your gummies out of the mold, you can keep it in a sealed glass jar in the fridge so it doesn't go rancid and the gelatin doesn't melt. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. The elderberry syrup plus you can find in the description box below. Make sure you follow us on Instagram if you want to learn more from us, and follow us on our blog.